Hello, my name is Belle Angie Donase. Today we're gonna talk about two major arms of the adaptive immune system: the cellular immunity and then the humoral immunity. Let's start. The adaptive immune system is a specific target with three major characteristics: the specificity, memory, and systemic. And then it has two major complementary systems, with like the cellular immunity and the cellular immunity, or T cell mediated, consists multiple steps. Like the first one, we have the antigen presentation. The cellular immunity begins when the antigen presenting cells, so has dendritic cells or macrophage, and then it's include a pathogen and display fragments of that pathogen on its surface, bound to the MHC protein. We have multiple we have the MHC1 that is represent the cytotoxic T cells, and then MHC2 will represent the helper T cells. The second step, we have the T cell activation. The T cell activation with a matching receptor or bind and the antigen MHC complex. And then we have the third step is the T cell global expansion. It's one activate, the T cell undergoes rapidly divides and create an army of identical cells. And then we have the fourth step is the wall of T cells. Is the cytotoxic T cells kill infected and cancerous cells. These T cells search the body for cells displaying foreign antigen on MHC. Once found, they'll kill the target by releasing perforin create holes, guanzine trigger apoptosis. This is destroy infected cells and prevent virus replications. This helper T cells is coordinate to the immune response, and then activate B cells, activate cytotoxic T cells, activate a macrophage, release cytokinase to coordinate inflammation. And then the memory T cell, these remain in the body. The second complementary of adaptive immunity, humoral immunity, B cell mediated. The B cells is activate multiple steps. The first one is the B cell activation. The B cell have receptor that can bind directly to antigen, usually a bacteria, toxin, or virus flowing in the body fluid. However, they usually need helper T cell activation to fully respond. And the second cells is the helper T cell assistant. Once a helper T cells recognize the same antigen, is release the cytokinase to activate the B cells. And the third step is the clonal expansion and differentiation. And it activates B cells multiple by coming like plasma cells, memory B cells. The plasma cells, these are antibody factory. A simple plasma can release thousands of antibody per a second. And then the memory B cells, that is provide the long-term immunity. 1 second exposure, they produce antibodies extremely quickly, often preventing symptom entirely. And then we have the fourth step is the how antibodies work. How is work? Antibodies do not kill a pathogen directly, but they neutralize and tag them. So when they are doing the neutralization, the antibodies stick to the virus or toxin, blocking them from entering the cells. They and opposing the antibody called pathogen, and making them easy for macrophage to eat. And then the activate of a complement, the antibody binding activate to complement system, leading to bacterial cells lysis. And then they have the agglutination, the antibody bind multiple pathogens together, forming a clump. They are easy so to remove. And then we have the precipitation, solid antigen, or clump. In conclusion, the cellular immunity kill infection cells directly through the T cells, while the humoral immunity use B cell and antibody to attack pathogen and body fluid. Together, these complement of adaptive immunity, they form a powerful adaptive defense system that protect the body from infections. Thank you.